Hello,
Hello,
I'm Rachel,
I'm Rachel.
and together we're
Rachel Squared.
It's been a long time.
Oh yes, we've been busy with school, so that's why we haven't been doing a lot of these videos.
Stay in school. It's hard, but stay.
Yes. So if we're gone for a while, you'll know why.
Yes. Today we are decorating mugs. It's that.
Okay, explain again.
Try this again. We are decorating mugs. It is the Christmas season, so these will be like the perfect gift to give to somebody, you know?
In a cheap way to go.
Cheap, very cheap.
Yeah.
Dollar store.
Mhm.
You get a mug.
Yeah.
And we got permanent markers that we're gonna decorate them up with. I got some, what is this, glitter glue? Yes. Some glitter glue that we're gonna put on. And after all that's done, we're gonna layer it with Mod Podge.
Mhm.
So that it lasts a bit longer. And these will have to be hand washed, not dishwasher safe. Just putting that there, not dishwasher safe.
Mhm.
Right, so.
Ew. Oh, that's from the sticker.
Really? Your sticker? My sticker was on the bottom.
Then ew! There's some gook on it. Don't know what that gook is.
That's from a sticker. It's from a sticker.
Oh, you must have just cleaned yours. Really
Oh,
off.
I probably did. To get a sticker off, I use rubbing alcohol.
I didn't.
Rachel doesn't. She just uses her nails.
Anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
Great. Let's get started. It's taped. My worst enemy. Oh, wait. I got it.
Okay.
Maybe. Got it. Got it. Ow. Don't use your nails. They break. Very easy. These must be
Different tips.
different. Yeah, they're definitely different tips. So, all our supplies
Or from the dollar
are
store.
from the dollar store. There's your black.
I guess I can just. Yeah, that's what I do.
And we got permanent markers. I love me some perms.
Yeah.
Not sponsored. Dollar store. Sponsor. We get all our supplies at the dollar store.
I guess.
I don't know. Mine's from my mom for Christmas, so.
I don't know if I want this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this to my dad.
Yeah. Go to your daddy-o.
Yeah, because I already got my mom something.
Because I'm an art student, I have to think of it. Oh, there's tip for each of us.
I'm just gonna
Different tip for each of us.
I'm just gonna use what's on here.
Use what's on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Close. Okay, are we starting?
We are starting.
Okay.
Ready? Don't say set. We're not going with ready, set, go. We're just doing it. We're just doing it.
Okay. Excuse me.
I am going to do a little, one of those child portraits of the family with the stick figures. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna be this light blue. I think that we'll do.
Isn't it?
Does it not work? My little brother will be orange or gold.
Help!
I'm kind of going off of our
What the hell?
birthstones. So my mom and dad are both green.
Can you help? I'm so weak.
You gotta cut the tip off. I gotta go get some scissors. What do you mean you can't unscrew it? What the fuck did you do?
I did nothing! Don't use your teeth. That's not good for your teeth. Don't do this, kids.
Oh, you were turning it the wrong way.
Oh my god.
Anyway, we gotta cut the tip off. Oh, that's not a cut a tip. There's a plug. There's a plug. So don't throw out the plug.
Well, there's a cap, so that's the plug.
Probably to make it so the cap inside the cap doesn't get dirty.
Yeah.
Pretty sure, yeah. If you look inside the cap, you can see through it.
Okay, now I can start.
Now you can go. If I ever have kids, I'll make them do crafts like this.
Yeah.
You know, I'll make them watch these videos one day.
Oh my god.
Okay, now we start. These are the smallest ones they have.
I think this is one. How is Mod Podge gonna go over it? Like, look how thick that
Yeah, I
thing is.
know.
Maybe it'd have to be like 24-hour thing and then Mod Podge.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe that's a little bigger.
Starting off with my dad. So yeah, I'm using green and for my mom and dad. I'm totally taking that black after and using it for my cat.
Yes. This is gonna take like...
There. Daddy-O is on it. I'll write on it with marker. So I guess next I'll do me, then my brother, and then my mom. So that way it goes boy, girl, boy, girl. Yes, I know. His legs are teeny tiny, okay?
I was kind of thinking it was going smaller.
Oh, no, you see, I'm going to wrap it around.
Oh.
So now, I'm a short little thing, so...
Like this is what I was thinking.
Nope.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were doing.
Nah, bitch. I'm going full out. I gotta make my hair crazy. 'Cause I got some crazy. I got myself on. Alright, back to green. Nope. Orange. My brother. Which I'll make him slightly taller than me, but not as tall as my dad.
Oh, he's not tall. That's your dad.
He's like maybe a few inches from the same size as my dad. And you know what? We're gonna give him some crazy hair too. And maybe a scowl because the boy never smiles.
So just like a straight face. So is it like pictures really horrible?
Yeah, he doesn't do pictures. My brother's on there. This is really hard to show you guys. Alright, this is actually kind of getting harder to draw. Alright, and then back to green, and yeah, I'm gonna do my mom about the same size as my brother. No, just shorter than my brother.
Yeah, so it's like your mom's like close to your height.
A bit taller.
A bit taller, not as much.
my brother's like, when you come home, let's go half and half while mom and dad's present. I'm like, okay. Then I had to remind him, remember, I'm a broke ass college student. He wants to get my mom a bracelet. I'm like,
oh, fuck, that's...
oh, I forgot to put arms on my mother.
Wow, your mom's just like, hi.
Sorry, Mom, we're giving you some arms.
Ah, where did that come from?
There, I got my mother on. She's a bit on the wonkier side. But hey, this is supposed to be based off, like, you know, children's drawings. And black for my cat. So we're still going with the children, so we're going to do a circle with 4 legs and a tail.
Do I draw a hat, or do I just leave it? Yeah.
This has got to be a big old fat circle because I got a big old fat cat. She's just a big old fat blob.
I use the green.
Yeah, go ahead. Good luck using it. There. I got the cat. I am basically done. I just gotta write their names on it. Put that in red. Oh wow, these are really fine.
I know. It was really difficult.
Oh, I can see. Oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I should have wrote on this first. Rachel. A-E-L. Go. Oh. Nick. Whew.
Mike. Don't judge us.
Mom.
Don't make me laugh.
I'm sorry. It's just like I can't go. That's what I do. And Curly cat. The K. Or as my dad likes to call her, Dumpling. You know, whatever. I'm just gonna put this on. No. Because it does get all messy inside. So, basically all I have to do is put the Mod Podge on, but I can't with this glitter glue all wet. So, we'll put it on after 24 hours of it drying. This is black. Does that
I hope my
sound
dad
good?
remembers this joke. Says I joke.
What?
When I was little, at daycare, I made my dad a tie with these like letters, like button letters, and I said I love you, and I guess there was no L, and I used a J as my L. It's like
I joke you.
So, yeah.
Oh, that's adorable.
And then the snowman.
Hmm.
And then there's...
Well, I mean, if you still remember it.
We probably still have a tie because you would wear it every Christmas.
Aww.
This is my cup.
Yours is like adorable.
And then this. Oh, it's very...
It's very dark. I don't know why.
There.
Yours is adorable, Rachel.
Yes.
And then mine's just...
Yours is cute, too.
I'm just putting all the...
Oh, I decided not to. I don't know.
Just because... I think it's also to help them from drying out.
Oh. Okay.
So... It's my turn to shove my fist in there.
Right, if you can see it.
So, yeah.
We'll have pictures, too, of
No.
them. On...
I can't. It doesn't work.
No. We'll just...
Focus.
Why don't we just put it on our Instagram, like pictures of it, and
So, Dad, me and my brother, my mom, and my cat. We all big happy family. Ooh, too bright, too white.
yeah. I'm glad we got these, because using these
Oh my
were
God. Well, I just...
That chair is broken.
I get. It's still broken. Remember, I fell through it in one of our videos. I gotta get some Gorilla Glue.
Yes. This was
fun.
This was really fun, and it's success.
Success. It's quick, it's easy, it's
Yeah.
cheap. It's going to go to my mom, and I hope she loves it.
Yeah.
She needs a new mug, like, very bad.
Yeah.
And, yeah. So, obviously, we're not going to post the Mod Podge putting on, but basically what we would do is just put the
paint.
Mod Podge all over where we painted. And then you would hand wash the cup, and you don't put it through a machine.
Yeah. I just don't know how it's going to turn out. You never know. It might just peel off right after.
I feel like it might peel off because I have once Mod Podged shoes,
Mm.
and they just kind of peeled off.
So then, what about baking it? What would that do?
I don't know because we put the glitter glue on.
Yeah, a lot of people use markers. I don't know.
Who knows? We'll figure something out.
Yeah.
Anyways, hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Woo. we crazy. We crazy ass movie fuckers.
Okay. Well.
Okay, bye.